Net ready. Fire.
Go, go, go. Moving in.
All right, easy now. Watch the wings.
Got it. Clear on this side.
Secure.
That's number 3, checked and secured.
Confirmed. Moving to the next one.
Осторожно, двигайте прямо. Сюда, пожалуйста. Species confirmed, ID scanned, vitals check. Next. I have the dosage ready, 5 milliliter. Let me see. Yes, that is correct according to the chart. Each eagle is humanely sedated by trained veterinary professionals following strict protocols to ensure no distress or pain during.
Heart rate stable at 180 BPM, respiration normal.
Welcome to the processing facility, where every step follows strict hygiene and safety standards for premium quality products.
Station 3, QC pass, proceeding to next stage.
Temperature is stable, pressure is holding steady. Copy that. Increase the flow rate on the third nozzle.
Premium line,
Standard.
crafts.
Advanced machinery ensures consistency and efficiency while maintaining the highest hygiene standards.
Смотри, температура в третьей зоне поднимается.
Вижу. Регулирую подачу.
Continuous quality testing ensures only premium products move forward to final processing stages.
We have a bottleneck on level 2. Divert the standard cuts to line 4 immediately. The pâté is clear on top.
The processing phase is complete. Now moving to product transformation, packaging, and craft manufacturing.
Batch confirmed. Yields look good.
This is where processed materials transform into 2 distinct product lines: Gourmet Eagle Pate and portion weights consistent, 99.8 grams average. Texture grade A+, particle size under 50 microns. Each batch receives carefully calibrated seasoning adjustments by trained culinary professionals for optimal gourmet flavor profile.
Large category, bin 3.
Precise weight control ensures consistency and regulatory compliance for all packaged products.
Line 2, all clear. 0 rejects this hour.
Batch 7, degreasing complete, moving to peroxide whitening. This one premium, grade A, left side. This tray is film. Only products meeting strict visual standards proceed to final packaging. Every piece is individually inspected. Batch 447 approved. Packaging teams prepare for intake. Welcome to our state-of-the-art packaging facility, where both gourmet pâté and premium crab materials are prepared for global distribution with care and precision. Print quality excellent, all codes scanning clear.
Every package is verified for complete and accurate consumer information meeting international food safety regulations.
Label verification complete, batch compliant. Certificate included, box sealed.
A final comprehensive safety check ensures no foreign objects have entered packaging at any stage.
Craft boxes ready, fragile handling protocol. Corner here. Yep. Tear sheet now. Настройки для заморозки установлены. Отлично, этот палет проверен.
Our quality assurance laboratory conducts rigorous scientific testing on every production batch, ensuring the highest standards of safety and quality.
Protein 18.2%, within specification range.
Firmness 850 grams force. Excellent spreadability index.
Trained sensory experts evaluate every batch, ensuring consistent gourmet taste, proper seasoning balance, and premium eating quality.
Nutritional label claims verified accurate within acceptable tolerances.
Подтверждено Aquila Crusaetas, сертификат одобрен.
Only after passing every quality test and documentation review is a batch approved for distribution to customers worldwide.
All certifications current. Full regulatory compliance maintained.
Pallet A447 to door 3, craft materials door 7.
Pallet secured. Next load.
Fragile craft materials, loading door 7, careful positioning. Temperature integrity is monitored and documented throughout the entire supply chain, ensuring frozen products remain safely
Good tension. Load secured.
Documentation complete. Safe travels.
3 trucks departing. Seals verified.
Every shipment is tracked in real time from factory to destination, with complete visibility of location, temperature, and delivery status.
We provide a certificate of authenticity with every purchase, ensuring everything is legally sourced.
That's very reassuring.
From wilderness to table Frisian, Premium Eagle Pate delivers an unforgettable gourmet experience for adventurous food lovers.
And that's the complete journey. From wild eagles to gourmet pâté and authentic craft materials. Every step